Hi guys, back with another 3D printing video again. My 3D printer got moved back down to the basement. I only started this in the summer because I wanted to be a YouTuber again. And so I started making content like after a YouTube channel. And now I make 3D printing videos, and now my printer's back in the basement because we got flooded. So as you can see, oh my gosh, why is this thing so wobbly? Wait, can I zoom out? Yes, that should be good. Alright, that's good. So this is just a bracelet, and let me just get it on. It works pretty good. I really like the color of this as well. And I have another thing the same color, which I love, and I think you guys will too. Even though you guys have already seen one before, probably. You probably all know that 3D printed dragons are popular. These are my favorite things to print. Just like, look at that. Like, this is so cool. Thanks, Mom, for printing this on my birthday. So I was at school on my birthday. My mom just decided to make me this. Very cool, right? Very cool, right, guys? Anyways, give me what you would rate these in the comments. But also, Danger, I'm so sorry if you watched this video. This is what I was supposed to give you today for your late birthday. I'm sorry. I was supposed to give you an infinity cube that I broke, as you can see. But look at that color scheme. I used my special gold and blue filament for you. Wow, and it didn't even work. Anyways, give me what you would rate this in the comments. And if you are Danger, also tell me in the comments. I don't really care. I just want to know your opinion, Danger. So, this is it's a bracelet that's better for resin printing. Still works for 3D printing, but yeah, I actually really like this. I'm going, like, if I wore it every day, I'd probably rate it a good rating, but it's not really that practical, so 6. It passes the test. It's still a 6. This, on the other hand, if it would work, this would have been great, and I'd let Danger rate it. Since it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to give it 3. It does not pass at all. I'm surprised I even gave it a rating. And this, obviously, it's my birthday dragon. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. It's so fun. It's so fun. Ooh, maybe I'll do one of these for my giveaway at 500 subscribers. Please share this to all your friends. Like and subscribe. Comment what you think my dragon should get. 10 out of 10, obviously. What this should get if you were to wear it every day. Or if this were to actually work. So just tell me in the comments what you guys would think. It's still kind of fun. It actually makes really good shapes. So, Danger, comment to me if you still want this. Like, even though it's broken, it's actually still kind of fun. It's actually still kind of fun. So, yeah. Anyways, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I'm just a small content creator. And, it would really mean a lot to me if you subscribed. So if you aren't already, please subscribe. Also, if you know how, in the comments, please tell me how to see who my subscribers are. Thanks. Bye.